Alright, good afternoon, good day, guten tag sa bawat isa. Nandito tayo ngayon upang pag-aralan ang G7-10-10-10, okay? Entering God's Plan for Continuous Growth and Expansion by HC 5784. Okay, so ito yung ating website, okay, na makikita natin ang uh, paano ginagawa ito. Okay, so 4 stages: formation stage, growing stage, maturity stage, at saka multiplying stage. Ang goal nito ay to convert members into disciples, increase the sending ability of our churches, equip the disciples properly, boost the economic life of the members. Strategy, intentional discipleship, okay, planting and multiplying healthy churches, Christ-like and skillful pastors, Christian leaders, building disciples in community of believers, at saka living in the kingdom principles to develop Bible culture. Ito naman yung ating snapshots. Nakita natin yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 stages. Sa bawat stage ay mayroong steps kung paano ginagawa. So, paano malalaman na ikaw ay nasa formation stage? Okay, you have grouped yourselves into 7 or incorporated others. Ang goal nito ay para maging 14. So, unahin natin yung fundamentals of faith at saka yan ang study natin, foundational manual. Okay, yung fundamentals of faith ay based sa Hebrews chapter 6. Ang foundational manual ay based on Apostles' Creed. So, we enroll, okay, in ENMA also. Kahit enrolled lang, at least kahit hindi lahat, basta at least may naka-enroll sa inyo. Everyone is registered in the tracking list. Sa growing stage ay malalaman mo at saka nasa growing stage ka na pag natapos mo yung dalawa, the fundamentals of faith at saka yung foundations of faith. Alright? At yung 7 ay of course na-grow na, pwede manggaling sa formation stage maging 14 na agad. Do not forget na nire-recognize at kinukommission natin yung 7 sa Sunday. Dapat one Sunday at least we commission them. Baptism of water para sa mga bago na new believers na incorporate. I-schedule yan. Pag natapos na nila, syempre yung fundamentals of faith at saka yung foundations of faith. Okay, kasi para sa ganun, maintindihan nila nandoon kasi yung teaching on baptisms. Okay, so some of them become in my student, we encourage them. This depends on our schedule kasi. If kaya magpa-accredit po ang ating mga schools. Pag implementor kayo ng INMA, you'll be accredited training center, right? And then yung Christian, itong CL, yung CL leader is now qualified for Christian worker credential. Okay, let's go to the maturing stage. Masasabing you are now in the maturity stage pag natapos na of course yung the requirements dito sa 1 and 2. Okay, yung cell has reached 14 in number, continued on discipleship manual. Ito naman yung kay Andrew Womack, discipleship manual. Yung iba dyan na subjects at topics ay mauulit pero pasadahan na lang yon, review. Okay. And then dito rin yung tinatawag na stage na how to do ministry. Okay, at ginagamit na lessons natin dyan ay yung sa shepherd staff. Yan ay libre sa atin online, pwede namin ipadala sa inyo. Okay, and then tinitrain din yung assistant seal leader. Diyan na-identify ang assistant seal leader at tinitrain na siya na mag-lead ng cell group. Ang cell leader dito ay pwede nang qualified now for license to preach credential provided na natapos niya ang yung hermeneutics at saka homiletics. And then, here comes the multiplying stage. Okay, ang multiplying stage ay yung cell ay gumagawa na ng mga group evangelism, prayer evangelism, community service, right? Prayer visits. Yan. Ibig sabihin, pinapractice na nila ang kanilang natutunan. The cell is almost ready to divide into 2 new mature cell of 7 members each. Okay. And then, not less than 50% of the members are enrolled in Eagles Nest Christian Academy. Free tuition fee naman yan. So, later on, pag ready na to multiply, ibig sabihin ng multiply is to divide. Okay. Yan ay, again, i-recognize yung multiplication nila doon sa Sunday service. Okay, makikita doon, and everyone will shake hands and pray for them, and we will commission again the 2 new mature cell of 7 members each, okay, to go and multiply at maging 14 ulit ang bawat isa. Okay, so far, yan lang muna ang ating matutunan, basic knowledge on the formation stage, growing stage, maturity stage, at saka multiplying stage. Okay, so far, God bless you.